Here we are at one of our install projects with another update. This phase of the install has been all about building out the pathways and circulation through the garden. The flow is what we call it. The piece that helped the entire landscape feel connected, functional, and inviting to move through. You're seeing the flagstone pathways coming together throughout the property. Every stone is individually placed and shaped by hand to create a more organic flow through the space while still feeling stable and practical for everyday use. One thing we love about natural flagstone is that it brings structure without making a garden feel overly hard or formal. The goal here was to create movement through the garden that feels intuitive and natural, spaces where kids can run through barefoot, wheelbarrows can move easily, bikes can park nearby, and the family can comfortably transition between gathering areas, planting spaces in the backyard. Underneath the flagstone, we've been building up and compacting base layers to create long-term stability and durability. A lot of what makes hardscape successful actually happens below the surface, and taking the time to properly prep these layers helps prevent shifting, settling, and drainage issues later on. You'll also see the stone edging beginnings and defined pathway planting zones and pathways throughout the site. These details help create structure while still keeping the garden feeling soft and natural. We've been continuing soil preparation across the property by incorporating compost and organic soil amendments into future planting areas. Healthy soil is one of the most important foundations of a resilient landscape, especially in climate-adapted and drought-conscious gardens like this one. The landscape is really starting to take shape now, and next we'll be moving into planting, meadow installation, and the final irrigation fittings to bring warmth, texture, and habitat to the space.